This is a 1912 Eveready single edge razor. It was given to me by a friend of mine. It's got a bit of stuff. You see there was a price tag on there. I just peeled the remnants of it off with my hand. These have been soaking. This has been soaking for several hours in hot soapy water, and now we're gonna clean them up. Just gonna take some mothers. Do some scrubbing. These are all brass razors, so they will clean up really nice. They should. I'm just taking a toothbrush right now to it to try to get at the nooks and crannies. I'll come back with a cloth and polish. Alright. You see it's starting to come back. Just a little bit of mothers. And some elbow grease. Yeah, that's the application of a little bit of elbow grease. It has worked wonders in a great many situations. And it's free. That elbow grease is free, buddy. Look at that. Look at what that's doing. No problem. Not much at all. Doesn't take much at all. I'm going to take the corner and shove it in there like that, just to try to get at that. And I won't get every nook and cranny. I could take like a toothpick or a cotton swab and just go to town in there. Don't see the point. You may, and if that's what you want to do, then I would say to you, please do that. That's what makes you happy, or what's gonna make you happy, or however you want to put that. I'm gonna use a handle, I think. Okay, that ain't working well. So I just want to get in here just a little bit better. All right. I'm going to clean my hands off a little bit. And then I'm going to buff this. With this paper towel. Look how beautiful that razor is. Now this will patina back to something like that. With use it's normal, but we want to clean it off this first time. And I know guys that continue to they'll take their razors apart periodically, these types of razors, these solid brass razors, and they'll do something similar to this again so their razor will stay shiny. You can do that if that's your thing. I'm just cleaning this really good. After I'm done with this, after all the polishing and buffing and stuff that's going on, I know that there's nothing left on this metal. It's clean. And ready to be used. Metal is not porous as far as germs and stuff like that are concerned. This one's probably so old, it's been 30-40 years since it's been shaved with in the first place, so anything on here is probably 99.9% certain that it's pretty much already dead. But and this one, this should be fairly easy. See, no sandpaper, no steel wool, none of that stuff. You don't need it on a razor like this. It's not needed. And what I'll do, I'll lay that there like that, and I'll get me some on the bottom there. Take me a little brush. See if I can get in all the little nooks and crannies of the handle. Excuse me. Almost looks like gold, doesn't it? Probably shave with that tonight. Alright. 1912 Eveready single edge razor. Thanks for watching. Later.